and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is what's inside my makeup bag for Tenerife. So I actually got this makeup bag from, I want to say Shein. It's either Shein or Temu. I think it is 100% Shein. And I have loads of makeup in it already. There is still a few makeup that I'm still waiting for. It is taking absolutely forever to arrive. And do you know what? Ordering makeup off Shein is amazing because they're a little bit cheaper than the original price, but they take absolutely forever to arrive, especially if you order them all in one go. They split the parcels up. So you get like an eyeliner in one package, then you get a mascara in another package, and then you get about bronzer and highlighter in another one. You know, it is so annoying. I'm still waiting for the last few bits. So what I'll do is I will add pictures on when I'm nearly finished showing you this. But yeah, this is the makeup bag that I got from Shein. I've got a few makeup bags anyway, but I wanted a brand new one just for the holiday. And let's show you what makeup that I have actually taken on holiday with me. I wanted to show you first what the makeup bag's looking like without trying to tip everything. So you have the two big compartments on either side, then you have a small one in the middle. I don't know whether to keep these in the middle as just yet, but I wanted to show you what I have in there. So I'll just place my makeup bag here and then I will just get everything out and show you. So all these makeup are absolutely brand new. They are all from Shein. They're all proper brands. Only one, which I'll show you now actually. This I didn't get from Shein. I did actually mention this in the Shein video, last holiday bits. But I actually got this from my advent calendar. But Shein actually does Anastasia Beverly Hills products anyway. But I wanted to show you this. So I've got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam Palette. So that's the palette and the colours. I absolutely love that, and it's got a really nice feel to it as well. But I wanted to show you this anyway because I am taking this on holiday with me, but Shein does do Anastasia Beverly Hills products anyway on there. And I have a powder puff, which again I got from Shein. I think most of my stuff that I actually own is either from Shein or Temu or Amazon. They're the only places I buy now. I don't actually purchase from anywhere else. But I got this powder puff from Shein and the actual casing from Shein as well. I didn't realise that they do like little powder puff cases, so I got one of them. And then I got a beauty blender case. This I didn't actually get from Shein. No, I did actually. Yeah, I did actually. I got this from Shein, a beauty blender case, and obviously I already had loads of beauty blenders anyway. I've got millions of them, absolutely millions of them. So I thought I'd buy a little case for it, so you can keep, if that gets really, really dirty, I can keep that away from the actual makeup. Then I've showed you all these makeup anyway, but I want to quickly show you now because this is what I take on holiday with me. So it's the NYX Marshmallow Setting Spray I have. Then I have the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Then I have the NYX Professional Lip Topper, which I think is absolutely beautiful. I love actually the packaging, it's cute. Then I have Hawaiian Tropics Lip Balm. Now I am getting from Amazon, which I will actually put a picture at the end when I put all the other pictures up, of the Hawaiian Tropics, I think it's Hawaiian Tropics Lip Balm. I think they're the Hawaiian Tropics Lip Balm. But I absolutely love them ones, but I've got that one as well. I want to make sure my lips are literally protected in the sun. Then I've got the Soul Beauty Coconut Lip Oil, which I actually got from Amazon. Got that one from Amazon as well. Then obviously this one is from Shein. This is the NYX Lingerie and it's in the shade Corset. Oh, by the way, the mascara NYX product set and spray is all from Shein. Then I have these guys here. So this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Ginger Snap was from Shein. The NYX Bear With Me Concealer is also from Shein. Moving on to the other side of the compartment, then I have Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in the shade Rosewood, which I think is quite cute. Again from Shein. You see a pattern here, everything's all from Shein. I love it, I just absolutely love Shein. Then I have a NARS setting powder in the shade Translucent, and it has its own little powder puff, which I think is actually quite cute. Then I have a NYX Pore Filler. So this is all new makeup that most of it I've never even tried before, so I wanted all new makeup for the holiday, again from Shein. Then an Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the shade Soft Brown, again from Shein. Then a NYX Foundation Blur, this one's in the light to medium. Then I have an Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in the shade Heat Wave. Perfect colour actually, absolutely stunning. I got a NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Cold Brew, and a Rimmel London eyeliner in the shade Black. So obviously all from Shein. Then I got this. So I actually got this makeup brush from, I think it was Shein. It was either Shein or Amazon. No, I think it was Shein. The brushes I got from Amazon. So I needed new makeup brushes. I already have loads of brushes up there, but obviously they're the ones I use every day or every time I want to do makeup. So I saw these marble ones and I thought, oh, I absolutely love marble anyway, and you get quite a lot of them. So I can actually use, I like having brushes like this where you get so many. I don't know what's up with makeup brushes nowadays. They just put like, you get like 6 brushes for like 10 quid, and you're like, it's not even a full set. You literally have to spend at literally 60 quid just to get a full set of brushes. Where I can go on Shein or Amazon and get like the pack of 12 or 24 or whatever it is, and I can get absolutely everything. So yeah, I've got them brushes from Amazon, and then I've got obviously this case from Shein. Like I said, I'm still waiting for a few things, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop up on the picture up on the screen of what I'm waiting for, and I will write down as well what they are. But yeah, I'm still waiting for so much more makeup to arrive. It's just the last little bits, but where it's packages are all split up, they're all coming in at different times, different days. Luckily enough, I actually ordered it way before the holiday. Can you imagine if I ordered it just before the holiday, or like a month before the holiday? It'd be an absolute carnage trying to get new makeup together. I'd have to quickly run into town and get a load of new makeup that I haven't got. But yeah, I am literally just, I don't mind shopping on Shein for makeup and stuff like that if I know I've got the time limit. I would say though, if you are planning on going on holiday and you want to buy all new makeup from Shein, I would say literally buy it months in advance, so you've got plenty enough time for it to go through like wherever it's got to go. Some places are delivering, like you get it, sometimes you get Envy delivering it, sometimes it's getting delivered by Royal Mail, then it's getting delivered by a, I think it's like a Chinese place, an express delivery or something like that. But it's all coming different times, different days, different vans, different lorries and whatever. But yeah, it's all literally split apart. Like I said, I ordered the makeup all together, and when I go onto the orders, you've like three or four different flipping orders come up at once just for my makeup. Best to order months in advance. Say like if you've got a holiday next year, you have plenty enough time to order loads of new makeup from Shein, because at least you know you've got literally 12 months for it to arrive. But I would not say that if you're going on holiday in the next 2 months and you want new makeup, I would advise you to go into your local stores like Superdrug, Boots and stuff like that just to get your makeup. I wouldn't say get it all online, because you can never trust the deliveries and for it to be delivered on time ready for your holiday. But luckily enough, we have literally got 3 months. I know it's not that long if you think about it, but the ones that's arriving or I'm waiting for, they are literally the last bits of makeup that I'm waiting for. I've got everything else, so they are literally just the last bit. So it's lucky enough we have actually got 3 months. So I'm actually quite lucky in that respect. Has it been my what's in my makeup bag for Tenerife? So I wanted to show you obviously my makeup bag, what kind of makeup I'm taking with me on holiday, like where I got them from. All the makeup in here are literally, like I said, they're all brand new, and I'm so excited to actually try the makeup out because they are new brands that I've never tried before, like Estee Lauder. I've been seeing that all over like Instagram and TikTok, and loads of people have been raving about it, so I'm so glad I finally got my hands on it. Most of all the NYX products, I'm so excited as well. The Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and the makeup, I'm so excited to use. Basically, I'm just excited to use every single bit of my makeup. But yeah, that is what I've got inside my makeup bag. I know it's probably not a really good video for some people, but some people like to see what kind of makeup other people are taking on holiday with them. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. As always, if you have enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.